Thought for Food here, back at you, bringing you the Chicken Chipotle Ranch Burrito from Del Taco. This burrito costs $5, really hefty size, so let's go ahead and get you in here for a close-up. All right, the Chicken Chipotle Ranch Burrito. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. Oh yeah. So in this you have chicken, lettuce, rice, bacon, ranch. Wow. That's awesome. Wow. Bacon ranch, love that combination, but in a burrito, wow, that is fabulous. Look at that. Lots of meat, lots of chicken, lots of bacon, cheese in here too. The lettuce is nice and crisp. The rice is well cooked, bacon is crunchy. The chicken is moist, and this tortilla is awesome. It's grilled. You can tell it's a little bit brown, a little bit crispy. Let's try this with the the Del Inferno hot sauce. Woo! It's a bit spicy. Good flavor though. Slight smoky flavor on that salsa. That hot sauce. Let's try some medium. Got a big amount of cheese. Oh, there's also pico de gallo in here. Lots of flavor. So for the Chicken Chipotle Ranch Burrito, I'm going to give this a 4.5 out of 5. Really solid burrito, especially for $5 the price. Obviously, the quality is not as good as some other burrito places like Chipotle or something like that, but it's just fast food, so I'll take what I can get. But with that bacon flavor, the ranch, that chicken, it's just all so good. And for $5, doesn't get a lot better than that. So you have it, the Chicken Chipotle Ranch Burrito from Del Taco.